Islam is one of the world's major religions, with over 1.9 billion followers. Did you know that the word Islam means submission? It reflects the core belief in surrendering to the will of God. Another fascinating fact is that Muslims pray 5 times a day, facing Mecca, which is considered the holiest city. The Quran, Islam's sacred text, is written in Arabic and is believed to be the literal word of God as revealed to the Prophet Muhammad. Speaking of Muhammad, he was not just a religious leader, he was also a statesman and a military commander. The Islamic calendar is lunar-based, which means that Islamic holidays, like Ramadan, shift each year. And here's something intriguing: the concept of charity, or zakat, is one of the 5 pillars of Islam, emphasizing the importance of helping those in need. Islamic art is renowned for its intricate geometric patterns and calligraphy, as it often avoids depicting living beings. Lastly, the Hajj pilgrimage to Mecca is a once-in-a-lifetime obligation for Muslims who are physically and financially able to undertake it. These facts reveal the depth and richness of Islamic culture and beliefs.